What's up, Gearheads? James from Baker Drivetrain here to tell you about an exciting new product we're just getting ready to introduce. These are our race grade primary chain adjuster shoes. They're made of one-piece billet nylon 6/6 material, beautifully machined, and they're available for all 65 to 06 4 and 5-speed era motorcycles. So what's the rub here? Well, it's a relatively simple part. However, the stock ones are known for breakage. You see, the stock pieces are molded and they're cored, and ours are machined from solid billet. Let me show you. This is a stock 39976-01. That's the type that mounts with a snap ring like this. Now you see, I took this and cut it on a bandsaw, and if you can see, it's not solid material throughout, okay? It's actually molded, so, you know, the molten material is molten, it's plastic, okay. The liquefied material is injected into a mold and it hardens. And they tend to be somewhat brittle, somewhat fragile. You can see here's a used one. These are built out of necessity, by the way. We got sick of breaking these on our race bikes, and that led us to manufacture these. Here's a stock one that had a hard life. I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a crack here. You can see a lot of wear on it because the material is kind of soft. And also, like I said, it's very brittle. Now, under extreme conditions, like rapid acceleration and deceleration, your chain gets a lot of whip in it, okay? And what happens when you're on and off and the chain's riding on the shoe? Essentially this. And a lot of us have taken our primary off only to find our primary adjuster shoe in two pieces. So, with our part, you can see that construction is beautiful, solid billet material through and through. It's not a cheap molded part. This is the 39976-65BD. This suits 4 and 5-speed motorcycles from 1965 to 1999. And this is the 39976-01BD. This suits motorcycles from 2000 to 06 with 5-speed transmission. Pretty easy part to install. You can see I've already drained the primary here. First thing I did was disconnect the battery for safety, of course. I have my safety glasses here. I have a copy of the factory service manual. I always like to keep that close by. If you're not really familiar with your machine, I suggest you read the service manual first. And again, disconnect the battery and wear your safety glasses when necessary. So, on these 2000 and later models, this happens to be an 05 Softail, by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this snap ring. First step. Now, snap rings can fly and they can ping you right in the eye. So I'm gonna put my safety glasses on. Okay, so I'm going to carefully remove this snap ring. Be sure keep your finger on there because these things tend to want to fly across the room and worse, they'll hit you in the eye. Going to remove the stock shoe. Again, that's your hollow molded stock piece. And we're going to replace it with this beautiful, fully machined bit of nylon 6/6 goodness, the Baker race grade primary tensioner shoe. Now, I've got that seated on there well, but I like to give it a little hit like that to make sure it's really on. You should never reuse a snap ring because they tend to lose their spring and could potentially fall off. That's why we've included a new one with the shoe. So, best way I've found to do this, and they are tricky, is regular pair of good old slip joint pliers. You just kind of orient that like that and bada bing, she's on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the proper primary chain tension adjustment. Of course, this motorcycle is cold. That's how you want to do it. You want 5/8 to 7/8 free play when cold. Now I'm kind of doing it simple here. What you really want to do is rotate the motorcycle around, you know, put it in gear and take the plugs out, bump the wheel, and make sure you have your chain at the tightest spot before you make this adjustment. But again, you can refer to your factory service manual. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. You replace your primary gasket, put your primary back in place, properly torque your screws, fill it with the proper amount of required fluid, and you're off to the races for under 50 bucks retail. Thanks for watching, and ride safe. And stay tuned for more videos.